इसमें रिकॉर्ड हो जाएगा एंड इट वुड बी इजी फॉर मनु टू टेक दैट इशू एंड सॉल्व इट।
मैम जब तक आप हैं, आप निशा सिंह मैम हैं, ऑब्स एंड गायनी डिपार्टमेंट से। मैम अपना मोबाइल नंबर बताइए मेरे को, मैं चेंज करवा देता हूँ। आप नया जो यूज करना चाहती हैं।
7379
7379
774
774
777।
मैम आप लॉगिन करिए उससे।
अच्छा,
जस्ट 1 सेकेंड।
हाँ हाँ आप कर लीजिए।
अर्चना यू हैव तुम्हारा, हाँ ठीक है, अब हो गया, ठीक है, आई कैन हियर यू।
So we have so many problems, queries.
ठीक है, एक एक करके।
एक तो ये है कि
I would request everyone to raise hand and then we'll call that person to ask their query.
निशा मैम आप अपना लॉगिन करके देखिएगा नए मोबाइल से।
ओके,
I'm going to open my laptop. I will do.
So we can officially start the meeting and welcome everyone. There is an issue raised by Dr. Archana. So we are here to solve the queries in uploading your CV on the faculty appraisal software, which has recently been developed. So starting with the first query, Dr. Archana, please go ahead.
We are unable to open it on लैपटॉप।
नहीं, वो खुलेगा। प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि पहले जो क्वालिटी मैनेजर्स के साथ इश्यू आया है, वो पहले मोबाइल नंबर एंड द पासवर्ड वाज 12345, but when later on all the faculty members were made to log in, the default password was KG in small in 2020. तो शायद कुछ इशू है क्वालिटी मैनेजर्स का, जो कि जस्ट आफ्टर द मीटिंग इट विल बी सॉर्टेड एंड
इसमें लॉगिन हो जाएगा। ईमेल आईडी वाज डिफरेंट।
हाँ, जिस
एक फैकल्टी का ईमेल आईडी अलग था,
वो आप बता दो। मनु जी नोट कर लीजिए प्लीज।
जी मैम बताइए।
डॉक्टर वानी के में, हेलो मिस्टर मनु
जी
डॉक्टर मनु, डॉक्टर वानी का ईमेल आईडी डिफरेंट है, इसमें डॉक्टर मनीष बाजपेयी का ईमेल आईडी आ गया है।
आप सही वाला बता दो।
बताइए मैम।
वो देखना पड़ेगा, पूछना पड़ेगा।
मैम मैं एक रिक्वेस्ट कर लूं इसमें। ये मेरा जो नंबर आपने शेयर किया है ये व्हाट्सएप पे है, तो अगर आपको जैसे अभी नोट करने में वो होगा, कुछ होगा, आप मेरे को अपना सही मोबाइल नंबर, डिपार्टमेंट और जो इन्फॉर्मेशन चेंज करवानी है व्हाट्सएप कर दीजिएगा, आपको रिप्लाई आ जाएगा उसके ऊपर। सो यू कैन चेक इट आउट एट योर कन्वीनियंस।
अच्छा, जो मेरा पर्सनल था उसमें लैपटॉप में ओपन नहीं हो रहा है लिंक। कोई लिंक में कुछ चेंजेस हैं इसमें? अभी मैंने मॉर्निंग में चेक किया था।
चेंजेस नहीं है
लिंक में। पूरा लिंक कॉपी पेस्ट करना है, क्योंकि अगर आप सिर्फ KGMU डीन QP करोगे तो उसका लॉगिन डिफरेंट है, बट इफ यू गो बाय /FAS/ देन यू वुड बी एबल टू।
उसको पूरा किया था लेकिन उसमें अकाउंट वो डीएक्टिव आ रहा था, उसमें लिखा हुआ। ओपन हो गया था उसमें, मोबाइल नंबर और वो पासवर्ड डाल के ओपन हुआ, फिर उसमें था कि अकाउंट डीएक्टिव।
पासवर्ड क्या यूज कर रहे थे?
KG 2020।
मैम आप क्वालिटी मैनेजर में है ना?
हाँ,
क्वालिटी मैनेजर है। हाँ मैम, आपका इशू अभी मीटिंग के बाद में सॉल्व कर दूंगा। वो मैं चेक कर लूंगा, कहीं वो पासवर्ड का कुछ कंफ्यूजन हुआ है उसमें, वो सॉल्व हो जाएगा आपका। ऑल क्वालिटी मैनेजर्स का ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगा। हाँ जी मैम। और मैम कोई क्वेरी? डॉक्टर निशा मैम, आपका लॉगिन हुआ क्या? मैंने मोबाइल नंबर बदल दिया था।
I have written.
Do you all want me to go through the platform? Okay, then I'll share my screen. I'll present my data which I have put in, so you will be able to see my screen. रिचा, सबको एडमिट करते रहना, मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करती हूँ.
Yes. So please start from the step 1, okay? Dr. Nisha, please start from step 1.
So I have put in kgmudeanqp.in
That's okay.
/fas/index.php. ठीक है, इस लिंक को क्लिक करते हैं. Then I get this page. I put my mobile number. I put my password. Choose the role as faculty and sign in. ठीक है, I get this page.
Yes.
So now I have to set my academic year. So because we want to fill in data for academic year 2020 from January onwards, so I click this set academic year 2020 and save. Okay, then I go to faculty self appraisal. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so now I go to the first part of it, general information, to fill in my personal information. So my name is here, my date of birth I have to fill, my post, my department, my area of work, this I have to fill in, years of experience I need to fill, then date of appointment I have to fill. I don't think the calendar is working, but it is typable. You can put the date in this format. So in the institution, in the present post, city, state, country, address, pin code, then my numbers. So mobile number, it's already there because that is the username. Rest of all numbers and rest of all the email addresses I can type in here. Then I can also put my links. So there are options, which link I want to put, ORCID ID, Google Scholar, ResearchGate, Web of Science, or any other. So whichever I choose, I can put the detail here. So whatever I have put it in the data, I can go and have a look at the general info. So when I click this, my data is here. I'm working for the 2020 data, my designation this, and then I can look at the education details which I have filled in. I've done BDS, MDS. Then I can also check for my qualifications awarded. So that data has been entered on the first page, but I can have a look here. Awards, honors, conferred. So I can see whatever I have been awarded in 2020. If I want to see, here I would like to say to everyone, but that the awards and honors is important if they are very important ones, like BC Roy, Padma Shri, or FAMS, MNAMS, or things like this. They should be entered for whichever year in the past they have received. So awards and honors, please enter for all the years, the important ones, and the rest is to be filled for 2020 only. So this is how you can see. Then there is the next option is teaching. So here you have to choose again what UG, PG course you are dealing with, what degree courses. So there is number of degrees, how many lectures you take per week, how many clinical or practicals or tutorials you take every week, how many are assigned and how many are taught, and the steps taken for the teaching of periods missed during absence of leave. So you ask your colleague to take your classes, that you can enter here. Now the teaching plan has to be entered here. So whatever the department teaching plan is, date wise, month wise, that has to be entered here. Topic lists, date wise, reading list, whatever you give your students as a pre-read material, or you give a general list of books to go through. So that all list you can upload here. Synopsis of lectures. If you give your students PPT and you have uploaded your PPT on the KGMU website, you can provide the link here. If you have given it on the YouTube, then you can provide the link of YouTube here. And
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse मैम सुपर स्पेशलिटी डिपार्टमेंट में तो कोई ऐसे लेक्चर नहीं लेना होता है.
So in those cases, in super speciality, you can write, you take seminars, journal clubs, case discussions, that you can write here, the type of things you carry on with.
Okay, okay.
And those lists, the schedule of the month or the year, you can upload here.
Okay.
So whatever places you have gone for examination, so you can upload here. If you are involved in paper setting,
every column has to be filled, or we can leave some column.
No, whatever is red has to be filled. What is starred as red has to be filled, because this is all from the ranking forms. So all the information which is required in any of the ranking form has been allocated here, so that if the data is required for NIRF, we can just choose NIRF data and that will be printed out. So we will not be bothering the faculty every now and then for data once it is filled in this format here.
Divya,
Okay,
I have a question.
Yes, please.
Yeah, we are teaching both UGs and PGs also. So
Yes.
in one time year we can enter only one. So is it the higher degree that only we have to
No,
fill,
you
or
can
what?
you can opt for add, and you will get another one. See, I have also put view classes taught. So I have added twice. So I teach BDS, I teach MDS. So that way we can have both included. So you have to submit it twice, one for UG and once for PG. If you
And
want
fellowship
to,
also. Yeah.
and if you, yeah, whatever courses you are doing, how many you are doing, you can keep on adding. And if you need to edit, you can choose the edit button, or if you need to remove, you can remove the from here.
Okay.
Okay. So this is how you get the teaching information here. Then the third option is innovations. So whatever innovations in teaching learning, this is what is asked in ranking. Not the innovation in your medical practice or surgical practice, but whatever innovation you are doing in your teaching practice. So if you're changing anything in the design, in the curriculum, or the teaching methods, apart from PPT, you want to do case discussion or small group teaching or micro teaching or integrated teaching, that all you can write up here. So if you are doing any innovation in evaluation methods, in laboratory experiments, that you can update.
Otherwise we can write NA.
No NA is allowed. You have to write whatever you are doing. So if you are doing regular traditional, you have to write that.
In laboratory experiments, we are not doing anything. So what should we write there?
If it is not applicable in your department, then write NA.
Okay. Okay.
So if you are doing remedial teaching, student counseling, if you have lab manuals, or if your department has prepared books, so that all has to be entered here. Is it clear? Then you move on to the fourth point, is professional competence. Now here it is asked what upgradation you have done for yourself, for your professional competence, to improve upon what you are actually. So what if you have attended any course, any training course, from which institute, how long it was, and in which year. So this year is actually you are filling data for 2020. So now if I look at what I have entered, so I have done a reviewers training workshop at KGMU for 6 days. I have done a training in HRD for 6 days for 4 weeks. So this is how I have enriched myself in the year 2020. Then the workshops. What workshops I have attended. So there is an option whether I have attended a seminar, workshop, symposium, or a conference. If we have done all four of them, so we have to go one by one. The seminars attended first, then again we can choose once we have added this, we can choose workshop, fill in all the workshops attended. Then again, third time we can come onto this page and fill in the symposiums attended. And then fourth time we can come up on this page again and fill the conferences attended. So all the detail of the conference here also, if seminar is more than one, you just click on the plus button and you will get another option to fill in the second seminar. So if we look at
Dr. Divya.
Yes.
Yeah. It's only for 2020?
Yes.
This year only?
This year only, 2020 only. But the awards and patent, I need from whatever time it is. Awards and patent from the very beginning, but then you'll have to go to that particular year after completing your 2020 data. And in that particular year, you will need to fill patents and awards. Is that okay?
What is the
Yes.
last date of submission?
Last date for submission was 10th, but 11th onwards, we are going to apprise the heads of the department to look at this, and we'll provide a week time to the heads, because as the department has to integrate the whole data of all the faculty members who have uploaded, and then they have to process it and then submit to us or submit here. So that way we plan to achieve everything by 15th of October, because after that the ranking forms have to be filled.
Okay.
So if I look at my details, what I have filled, so these are the seminars I have attended, these are the conferences I have attended, so like that I can fill in.
I
Next
have one
point is,
question. Hello.
yes,
I have one question.
yes,
Can we fill webinar also? Because this
yes,
time
I have put webinars, see, in my list. They are all
Okay.
webinars.
Okay. Thank you.
Now coming to the next is books. So coming to the big books, I have books detail. Whatever books we have written, book name, published by.
If we have not written any book this year, then what should we write? No book.
Then no book this year, you can leave it empty. Or if you want to add on it, because this data is going to be with us now onwards. So it is requested if we can get a book list of the previous years as well. So how I did this, see, view books details. So I've entered 2014 also, 2020 also. So this is how I've put in. And chapter details also, you can put all the chapters you have published even in the earlier years. So that way the list will be compiled on the software, and it would be good for the university. Then assessment. Steps taken by you for the evaluation of the course program. So whatever you are teaching, how do you assess whether the program is doing good or not? So let me see what I have filled in. I felt that I do result analysis and I take feedback. So this is how you can assess the teaching or the training you are doing in the department. Then there is an option of difficulties and suggestions. So whatever achievements you have in this year, and anything limited you in achieving, so difficulties faced, and any suggestions from your side for improvement, for your own improvement. So that can be mentioned here, and then you can have a look at view. So you can fill in accordingly. Then there is next is faculty serving in. So if you are a member of any national committee, if you are a member of any international committee or editorial board, then you have to put the information here. If you are in the national committee, so put the name, which committee you are, and as what. So we get the details. Now, if I see what I have put in here, I am in the editorial boards in various journals and international committees. So that is how I have entered my information. So this is the general information for faculty self-appraisal. Now coming to the research contributions of the faculty. So in the research contributions, the first is student guidance. So if you have enrolled any students who are doing, so now for the students, what students do you have? You have PG students enrolled under you. You have MPhil students, PhD students, or RA, SRF, JRF, or PDF. So whatever student you have to put the student name, his enrollment number, his research title, his or her research title. If the student is from KGMU or from any other institute, then the name of that institute. So you may be co-guide for anyone. So that name you can enter here. Year of joining. So the student you are mentioning here, which year did he join? So you have to click that. Whether the thesis or the degree part is completed or ongoing, and whether in this duration the student published any paper or presented any paper has to be put in here. Where you gave your presentation, so the student, where did he present, And if he wants to upload the presentation file or the publication file, student can do that. If I have more students in MPhil, I can add on, and I can see how many students I have under me in PhD. So this is my data. Then coming to research papers and publications. So whatever in the year 2020 you have published has to be put in here as first author, second author, third author, whatever your position is. You don't need to write all the authors, but your position in the publication is very important. So whatever role you had in the publication has to be entered here. And publication type, whether it is national, international, whether it is peer-reviewed journal, non-peer-reviewed journal, e-journal, or a conference proceeding, and whether it is paper, just poster or publication. So that's how we are combining the data.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम इसमें corresponding author का option नहीं है.
ये है
क्या?
हाँ.
Okay ma'am.
है. Okay. So this is and where the journal is listed, whether it is in Web of Science, Scopus, PubMed, or any other. So that has to be clicked, and then you can add this and again come back to this page to fill in data for another year. If you know,
there is no column for the name of journal.
There is column for name of the journal. I think we were taking PMID index. Volume, issue, page number, publisher.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. The problem is I had tried to fill it, but the like there are so many publications and it is very time consuming. So
just for this year, it would not be more than 20-25.
Okay, and then no, that it's nothing like that, ma'am. But the previous year publications, what about that?
No, for previous year's publication, we have taken help from another software company, and they are compiling all our data from the very beginning, 1900 to now, and that will be a different platform where we'll get all the. So here, just for the year, just this year publication, you need to entry.
Okay, then it is fine, ma'am.
Manuji, please note, यहाँ पे मुझे journal का नाम के option नहीं दिख रहा है. Manuji.
Manuji कौन?
Ma'am, I'll add that name.
हाँ, वैसे there is also option of just taking your CSV file and uploading that file. So what I did was that only, and if I need to look at my research publication data which has been transferred through CSV file, not individually entering it, but just the sample file is provided here. You in that sample file on the Excel sheet, if you can transfer your data, and then it can be automatically imported into this. So this is how my this year's publication is here. Then coming to the research projects. So whatever research project title, the number, from where it is supported or funded, how long is the project, what is the grant sanctioned, grant received in the current year, in collaboration with, that type is institutional, interinstitutional, or departmental collaboration. If it is another institution, we need the name here. Project type, whether it is completed, ongoing, sanctioned, or submitted. This is how, and then you can have, once you have entered, you can have a look at the view research projects, whatever you have entered. So these are my projects which are running. So this is how it can appear on the screen. Then the next part is patents.
CV में क्या अटैच करने की बात हो रही है?
हाँ?
Getting the corporate details in online CV.
For the patents, you need to enter the title of the patent, the application number, the date of application, national, international body, co-applicants, any income generated, any outcome, and what was your contribution. So this information you can enter, and then you can view at it when you click on the view patents file, or the number of patents applied can be visualized here. I think the net is slow, that's why the page is not opening. Okay, we'll move on to the next. Yes, so this is how my patents are are seen on the screen. Then the student guidance. ये तो हो गया था. I was on the consultancy. Now we miss on the consultancy part every time, and that's why we have it here. If you are providing consultancy to any industry or any other to government, that can be added here. So if you are any committee, government committee, screening committee, or regulatory committee, so that all can be mentioned. Whatever type of body is here, you can write the name of the body. If you have any funding from that source, write here, and your role.
Otherwise, we can write NA.
If you have not been involved, you can write NA. Then similarly, coming to monographs, if you have published any monograph, you can put in here. After monograph, we have membership of bodies. If you are life member of any, or not life member, just annual member or honorary member, you can put the information here, wherever it is. And then you can, through these, you can see the count, the number will be available here, and the membership detail would be available here. Now coming to editor of the journals. So name of the journal where you editor, publisher of that journal, and your role, deputy editor, section editor, or whatever. Then community services. What all community services you are doing. You are doing camps, you are doing patient awareness, lectures. So that all has to be detailed here. If you are aligned with the national missions, you can mention here, NRHM or whatever. Positions held or leadership role played in the organization. So whatever role you have played, other than your academic part, can be added here, and then it can be saved, and you can have a look from this side. Then participation in corporate life. So other than give a short account of your contribution to the college. So whatever roles you are playing in the university, like you are quality manager, or you are whatever role you have been assigned, so you can put in here. Contribute duties during entrance examinations. So if you are also involved in entrance examinations, mention here. If you are in charge of co-curricular activities, mention here. How do you support campus life, like you are involved in sports, games, cultural activities. The students' welfare and discipline. How do you involve in student welfare? How do you involve in discipline in the students? Membership, participation in bodies, committees on education and national development, member of council of in bioresearch. कुछ यहाँ गड़बड़ है, we'll check it and get it corrected. मनु जी ये नोट करिए, यहाँ पे क्या आया है?
E point, ma'am.
हाँ, E point. And then professional organizations of teacher. आप उस association में president, joint secretary जो भी रहे वो यहाँ पे add कर सकते हैं. Then there is income generated.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ.
मैम इसमें ये जो previous वाला पेज था, इसमें मैम इन्विजिलेशन ड्यूटीज वगैरह भी ऐड कर सकते हैं क्या?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. वो एग्जामिनेशन ड्यूटी में पूछा है कि आपने एग्जामिनेशन की क्या ड्यूटी करी है, अलग कॉलम है उसका. So okay, you go back to this page. यहाँ पे contribute duties to entrance examination.
Okay, ma'am. But that everything will be 2020 ना for this year.
Everything is for 2020. बस जो खास चीजें हैं जो कि आप चाहते हो कि आपके CV के साथ attached हो, जैसे मैंने कहा awards, patents and books. ये तीन चीज पुरानी भी डाल देना.
Okay, ma'am.
ऑलमोस्ट खाली रहेगा हम लोग का.
2020 खाली गया पूरा.
And then income generated. अगर कोई पेटेंट से इनकम जनरेटेड हुई है या कहीं से डोनेशन आया है, दैट फंड यू कैन मेंशन हियर. दैट्स इट. बहुत बड़ा नहीं है, सिर्फ 1 साल का भरना है. इट इज डूएबल. आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू प्लीज go back to your system, log in, and then
हम लोग पूरा भर रहे थे इसलिए और बहुत हिम्मत नहीं कर रही थी।
और ऐसा नहीं है कि सारा एक साथ भरना है, एक पेज एट ए टाइम भरो, सेव कर दो, 2 घंटे बाद फिर जाओ और फिर उतना एक पेज भर के सेव कर दो। इट इज नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट, बट एक बार डेटा सिस्टम में आ गया तो रोज रोज का सरदर्द खत्म हो जाएगा।
Actually, ma'am, earlier it was CV upload. Now, so CV upload is like
ये CV है, ये CV ही है, आपका CV ही है।
But now it is clear that it is for 2020 now, 2020 now. Nothing.
लेकिन I have made a request कि books, patents और तीसरी चीज, हाँ 3 चीज, patents, awards, वो पुरानी भी डाल देना। So हमारे पास वो highlighted आ जाएगा। हाँ।
One question from Manu जी. Mr. Manu.
Yes, ma'am.
इसमें जहाँ पे रेड स्टार आपने बनाए हैं वहाँ पे रेड स्टार मीन दैट इज मैंडेटरी टू फिल।
Yes,
I think.
हाँ।
और अगर इसमें हमारा कुछ नहीं, अगर इसमें हमारा कोई रोल नहीं है तो आगे शिफ्ट
NA that scenario you put NA।
मैम
आफ्टर दैट इसके बाद आगे शिफ्ट हो जाएगा नेक्स्ट।
मैम लास्ट डेट 15 है वही ना?
लास्ट डेट हेड्स के पास 15th है, फैकल्टी के पास 10th है, लेकिन हेड्स के साथ आप करते करते हेड जब तक कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं तब तक आप कंप्लीट कर सकते हो।
15 मैम 15 मान रहे हैं।
हाँ 15th मान लो, लेकिन हेड को तब तक कंप्लीट कर लेना है।
पहले कर देंगे।
मैम व्हाट इज द असेसमेंट पीरियड?
असेसमेंट पीरियड जनवरी ऑनवर्ड्स है, और इस एक बार आपने फिल इन कर दिया उसके बाद मुझे कहने की जरूरत नहीं होनी चाहिए। यू कैन कंप्लीट जैसे जिस महीने जो काम हुआ वो एड ऑन करते रहो, सो दैट
विल बी वेरी इजी।
कैन डू इट
आगे के लिए आसान हो जाएगा मैम। अभी थोड़ा वो है आगे के लिए, जैसे कुछ किया, एग्जामिनेशन ड्यूटी आई उसमें ऐड कर दिया, कॉन्फ्रेंस करके ऐड कर दिया।
लॉगिन। हाँ तो सीवी भी आपका कभी डैमेज हो सकता है कि करप्ट हो गई फाइल।
मैम व्हेन विल यू डू द फाइनल असेसमेंट लाइक फॉर NIRF रैंकिंग? व्हाट इज द
NIRF तो अक्टूबर में शुरू हो जाएगा।
जनवरी टू दिसंबर। इट इज फ्रॉम जनवरी टू दिसंबर। सब अलग-अलग मांगते हैं, कोई जुलाई टू जुलाई मांगता है, कोई वो मंथ वाइज हम निकाल लेंगे उसमें से।
After 15th also, ma'am, we can fill the data later on as well. We can fill the previous data as well.
प्रीवियस भी भर दो तो बहुत अच्छा है, पिछले साल का भी आ जाएगा, बट फिलहाल के लिए 2020 से शुरू कर रहे हैं।
Yeah. First we do it 2020, later on we can fill the previous data as well.
बिल्कुल।
मैम इसमें जो HOD के नाम से लॉगिन करने पे डिपार्टमेंट का डिटेल आ रहा है, क्या फैकल्टी का अलग से करना है? मतलब ये क्योंकि
हेड HOD के पास 2 ऑप्शंस हैं। इफ ही जॉइंस एज फैकल्टी तो उनको अपना भरने के लिए मिलेगा, इफ ही जॉइंस एज हेड तो उनको डिपार्टमेंट का पूरा एज सच मिलेगा।
ओके, तो दोनों, मतलब जैसे हम तो अकेले ही हैं तो हमें दोनों भरने।
हाँ, हेड को दोनों भरने हैं, बिल्कुल।
Dr. Divya?
Yes.
Dr. Divya, there is big security part, because anyone can enter anyone's mobile number and then he can peep it into the other's profile and he can change it also.
ठीक है।
So can you add a OTP part, OTP sort of thing?
मनु जी
Once we log in, we generate a OTP and we can.
मनु जी।
मैम सबसे पहला I will advise everyone to change their password also.
Okay.
Right. There's an option to change the password. Yes, there's an option to change the password.
Okay.
And then later on we'll look at some kind of authentication system.
So after changing the password, will it be accessible to the HOD or not?
No.
Because HOD has to see all our files.
HOD को तो दिखेगा, HOD को अपना पासवर्ड चेंज करने पे दिखना बंद होगा।
Okay. हाँ. मतलब he can see our files as well, even if we change the password.
Yes.
मैम उसमें कोई चेंजेस तो नहीं कर सकते जो हम मतलब कोई हमारी अगर ये प्रोफाइल कोई देख रहा है तो जो हमने उसमें एंट्री करी कोई चेंजेस कोई कर सकता है क्या?
नहीं, कोई और नहीं कर सकता। आपका पासवर्ड प्रोटेक्टेड होगा, आप अपना पासवर्ड चेंज कर लोगे एक बार एंट्री करने के बाद, तो who else will know? बस मुझे मालूम होगा एज सुपर एडमिन, मनु जी को मालूम होगा।
पासवर्ड चेंज करने का ऑप्शन आ नहीं रहा है
अभी नहीं आ रहा है, बट ही विल क्रिएट इट।
मैम आ रहा है। एकेडमिक ईयर के ऊपर चेंज पासवर्ड का ऑप्शन है।
ओके। मैं
जब ऑर्किड
You can put all your links. So उससे एडवांटेज ये होगा कि हम किसी भी फैकल्टी के नाम पे जाके उसका पुराना पब्लिकेशन देखने के लिए हम उसकी जो लिंक्ड फाइल्स हैं उनसे निकाल सकते हैं।
मैम इसमें do some kind of arrangement so that we can fill the DOI number of each publication and through that DOI all the information they are filled automatically rather than filling each and every component of that publication like first author
मनु जी बताइए।
मैम वो DOI का जो इंफॉर्मेशन आता है उसके लिए वो आपसे बताया था
हाँ, वो नहीं हो पाएगा क्यों इस साल के लिए भर दो
मैम। जैसे तो वो गूगल स्कॉलर में होता है कि अगर हम कोई
तो उन्होंने नहीं अभी इसमें नहीं आ पाएगा। एक तीसरा हमारा एक हमने एलुमनाई पोर्टल शुरू किया है, एक ये फैकल्टी अप्रेजल पोर्टल है और एक तीसरा हमारा पब्लिकेशन पोर्टल आने वाला है। इन दैट पब्लिकेशन पोर्टल हमारा बस हमें अपने लिंक्स डालने होंगे और सब कुछ ऑटोमेटिक आएगा उसमें, लेकिन उसमें थोड़ा टाइम है और हमारी रैंकिंग अभी शुरू हो रही है इसलिए वी हैव टू।
हम अपनी ऑर्किड आईडी डालें तो वो सब आ जाए उसमें?
इसमें नहीं आएगा, थर्ड जो बन रहा है उसमें आ जाएगा। मे बी विद इन अ मंथ और 2 विल इंट्रोड्यूस दैट।
कमिंग सून है।
हाँ कमिंग सून है।
मैम
हाँ
मैम फर्स्ट पेज पे मैम एक क्वेरी है, प्लीज बता दीजिए।
प्लीज बोलो
मैम व्हाट इज T/P/CL?
T is tutorial, C is clinical, P is practical.
Okay, thank you
मैम।
हाँ
मैम मैं ऑर्किड नंबर एंट्री करने की ट्रायल कई बार कर चुका, वो सेव होने के बाद आता सेव सक्सेसफुली और फिर सेव करके वो मेरे पेज पे दिखा नहीं रहा।
वो न्यू पेज पे दिखाएगा, जब व्यू पे जाओगे तब दिखाएगा, इधर नहीं दिखाएगा, फॉर्म में नहीं दिखाएगा, जहाँ एंट्री कर रहे हो वहां नहीं दिखाएगा, वो ब्लैंक रहेगा। लेकिन जब व्यू पे जाओगे जैसे मैं दिखा रही थी राइट हैंड कॉर्नर पे तो सब दिखेगा। हाँ मैंने अपनी एंट्री करी है एंड इट इज शोइंग। आप बोलो मनु जी, आप इनका खोल के देखो, इन्होंने कोई एंट्री करी है, आपको दिख रहा है कि नहीं?
मैम लेकिन लिंक नहीं हो रहा है ना इससे, आईडी से ऑर्किड आईडी से अपने
मेरा
नहीं, वो लिंक हमारे पास सेव हो जा रहा है, वो डेटा में चला जा रहा है। हम जब उसे क्लिक करेंगे तो हमें मिल जाएगा।
ओके
डेटा में सेव हो रहा है।
जो डाटा है
हाँ
वो डाटा
आएगा नहीं, वो डेटा नहीं आएगा क्योंकि हमारे पास उनके रिसोर्सेज नहीं है, हमारा उनसे MOU नहीं है कि वो अपना डेटा हमें दे दे। बट हम लिंक को जब क्लिक करेंगे वो डेटा लिंक हमारे पास सेव हो रहा है। If we click that link, we'll get that information.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you share your number so that if there is any technical problem we can solve that.
अर्षद क्या कह रहे हो?
Ma'am, Manu ji, here is number so that if we have any.
मनु जी का नंबर मैंने ईमेल में शेयर किया था, बट मनु जी आप अपना नंबर फिर से शेयर कर दो so that everyone has that number and everyone can WhatsApp the complaint to him so that he can update you on once it's settled or resolved.
84 00 999 780.
Okay.
ठीक है, so should we?
हम सबसे कन्वीनियंट होगा व्हाट्सएप, अगर आप नाम और मोबाइल नंबर कर देंगे और इशू कर देंगे, आई विल रिप्लाई ऑन व्हाट्सएप, दैट इज इजियर।
थैंक यू मैम।
ठीक
Okay,
ठीक है, so I expect कि by 15 सबका कंप्लीट हो जाएगा।
मैम एक चीज और पूछनी है मैम।
प्लीज
मैम एम आई ऑडिबल?
यस यस
मैम ये जो अब हम लोग पूरा भर रहे हैं तो लास्ट में क्या कुछ ऐसा ऑप्शन है कि हम अगर ये अपनी CV डाउनलोड करना चाहें ताकि आगे प्रैक्टिकल पर्पस के लिए हमको यूज करना हो, तो जो हमने डेटा पूरा फिल किया हुआ
उसको हम लोग यूज है, उसमें प्रिंट ऑप्शन है, आप जो जो चीज प्रिंट करना चाहते हो अपना उसमें प्रिंट ऑप्शन है, सेट एकेडमिक ईयर के नीचे है।
ओके
ठीक है
ओके ठीक है मैम, थैंक यू।
ओके थैंक यू एवरीवन।
थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू
थैंक यू मैम।